Welcome to Yes, I Can Do It. Transform your financial future. Financial independence starts here.
Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of crypto wallets, specifically focusing on two major types, hot wallets and cold wallets. Let's get into it. Alright, let's kick things off with hot wallets. A hot wallet is like a digital wallet for everyday spending, always online and easily accessible. Think of it like your checking account, ideal for actively trading crypto and making frequent transactions. They allow you to quickly execute trades and manage your portfolio on the go. But because hot wallets are always connected to the internet, they are more vulnerable to hacking and security breaches. Many reputable hot wallet providers implement robust security measures, but no system is foolproof. Now, let's cool things down a bit and talk about cold wallets. Cold wallets are a type of cryptocurrency wallet that stores your private keys in a secure offline environment. This makes them immune to online hacking attempts, which is a significant advantage over hot wallets that are connected to the internet. Unlike hot wallets, cold wallets are designed for maximum security and long-term storage, keeping your crypto offline. This means that even if your computer is compromised, your crypto assets remain safe. Cold wallets come in various forms, including hardware wallets, paper wallets, and even physical coins. Imagine a physical vault buried deep underground, shielded from all outside interference. This is essentially what a cold wallet offers for your digital assets. The idea is to keep your private keys completely isolated from any network, making it nearly impossible for hackers to access them. Cold wallets aren't designed for everyday transactions but are perfect for holding onto your crypto for the long haul. They are ideal for investors who plan to hold their assets for an extended period, without the need for frequent access. This makes them a popular choice for those who prioritize security over convenience. They provide the ultimate peace of mind, knowing that your crypto is safe and sound. With a cold wallet, you can rest easy, knowing that your investments are protected from online threats. This level of security is particularly important in the volatile world of cryptocurrency, where hacks and scams are all too common. However, cold wallets typically require an upfront investment. The cost of a hardware wallet can range from $50 to $200, depending on the features and brand. While this may seem like a significant expense, it's a small price to pay for the added security and peace of mind. Think of it as an investment in your financial future. By securing your crypto assets with a cold wallet, you're taking a proactive step to protect your wealth. In the long run, this investment can pay off by safeguarding your assets from potential threats and ensuring that your financial future remains secure. So which one should you choose as a beginner? It all comes down to your individual needs, investment style, and risk tolerance. Hot wallets are convenient and free, perfect for beginners who are just starting out. They're user-friendly and readily available, but remember, hot wallets are always connected to the internet, making them more susceptible to security breaches. Cold wallets offer unparalleled protection for your digital assets, keeping them locked away offline. However, they require an upfront investment and are not as user-friendly. As a beginner, the best wallet for you will depend on your individual needs and how you plan to use your crypto. There are two main types of wallets to consider: hot wallets and cold wallets. Each has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and understanding these can help you make an informed decision. If you're just starting out and only investing a small amount, a hot wallet is a great starting point. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making them highly accessible and user-friendly. They are perfect for those who are new to the world of cryptocurrency and want to get a feel for how transactions work without committing too much. It allows you to get your feet wet and learn the ropes of crypto transactions. With a hot wallet, you can easily buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. They often come with intuitive interfaces and are integrated with various exchanges, making the process seamless for beginners. However, it's important to note that because they are online, they are more susceptible to hacking and cyber threats. On the other hand, if you're planning on going all in on crypto, a cold wallet is the way to go. Cold wallets are offline storage devices, which makes them incredibly secure. They are ideal for those who plan to hold a significant amount of cryptocurrency for a long period. While they might be less convenient for frequent transactions, the security they offer is unparalleled. It provides the ultimate peace of mind, knowing that your digital gold is safely locked away. Cold wallets come in various forms, such as hardware wallets and paper wallets. They are immune to online threats, making them the preferred choice for serious investors who prioritize security over convenience. Ultimately, the choice is yours, but a cold wallet is an investment worth considering. Whether you choose a hot wallet for its ease of use or a cold wallet for its security, the most important thing is to stay informed and make a decision that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, so staying updated with the latest trends and security practices is crucial. Now let's walk through how to set up both types of wallets. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrency or just looking to expand your knowledge, this guide will help you get started with both hot and cold wallets. We'll cover the essential steps for setting up MetaMask, a popular hot wallet, and the Ledger Nano S, a widely used cold wallet. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to securely manage your digital assets. First up, let's tackle hot wallets, specifically MetaMask. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making them convenient for everyday transactions. MetaMask is one of the most user-friendly and widely used hot wallets available. It's compatible with various browsers and mobile devices, making it accessible for most users. To set up MetaMask, head over to their official website and download the version that's compatible with your browser or phone. The installation process is straightforward. Once the download is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to install the extension or app. After installation, you'll be prompted to create a new wallet. Once installed, create a new wallet and your secret recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet if you ever lose access to your device. Make sure to write it down and store it in a safe place. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone, as it can be used to access your funds. Guard it with your life. Your secret recovery phrase is the key to your digital assets. Losing it means losing access to your funds, so treat it with the utmost care. Consider storing it in a secure location, such as a safe or a safety deposit box. Now let's move on to cold wallets, specifically the Ledger Nano S. Cold wallets are not connected to the internet, making them a more secure option for long-term storage of your cryptocurrency. The Ledger Nano S is a popular choice due to its robust security features and ease of use. To set up your ledger, connect it to your computer via USB and follow the on-screen instructions. The setup process involves creating a PIN code, which adds an extra layer of security to your device. Make sure to choose a PIN code that is easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. Create a PIN code and write down your unique recovery phrase. Just like with MetaMask, this recovery phrase is essential for accessing your wallet if you lose your device. Write it down and store it in a secure location. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Once set up, you can easily send and receive crypto by connecting it to your computer. The Ledger Nano S provides a secure environment for managing your digital assets, ensuring that your funds are safe from online threats. With both MetaMask and the Ledger Nano S, you'll be well equipped to handle your cryptocurrency transactions with confidence. So, whether you choose a hot wallet or a cold wallet, ultimately depends on your investment strategy and how often you plan on using your crypto. Don't forget to comment below if you're using a hot or cold wallet, or if you have any questions about setting them up. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips and guides. See you next time.